The Barrio Food Forest Project brings people from the south side of Tucson, Arizona together to build rainwater harvesting basins, plant them with native and arid-adapted plants that provide food, medicine, and shelter, and to work together with their neighbors on making their city a more beautiful and resilient place. The project began as an offshoot of the work being done by a group known as Tierra Libertad Organization, or TILO. As their name suggests, TILO strives to build the physical, social, and political well-being of people on the south side of Tucson by fostering their connections with each other and with the land and environment in their neighborhoods. They bring people together to work on projects such as murals, home and community gardens, and rainwater harvesting tank and basin building. I got involved in their Barrio building campaign in the fall of 2011 when large groups of neighbors and other volunteers helped plan and install a series of alleyway murals and a large community garden at a local church. A group of neighborhood moms, known affectionately as the Moms Comité, supported these events by preparing food for the other participants. After a while, they started to talk about projects that they'd like to get started on their own. The rainwater harvesting basin in front of TILO headquarters, which is planted with a desert willow tree, jojoba and tuberosa shrubs, and a variety of wildflowers, caught their eye. The plants there bloom throughout the year in succession, providing food for native pollinators, and the willow provides shade for the sidewalk during the hot Tucson afternoons. The jojoba produces nuts, and all of this bounty comes without irrigation beyond what the seasonal rains provide. The street-side basin is an oasis for people, bugs, and birds. Many plants in the Sonoran Desert provide food and medicine that have been utilized by the indigenous and mestizo peoples of the region for hundreds, if not thousands, of years. The moms had already expressed interest in learning more about growing and producing herbal medicines and products. So when we met to plan the Barrio Food Forest Project, we decided to incorporate plants that provide simple-to-make remedies to common ailments. Tronadora leaves make a tea that helps to manage diabetes. Canutillo makes a tea that helps with the symptoms of sinus infections and allergies. And Salco, or Mexican elderberry, is used to make syrups that strengthen the immune system. For the edible components of the plantings, we decided to incorporate not only native Sonoran desert plants such as jojoba, but arid-adapted food plants from the Kino Heritage Trees Project and Native Seed Search. Both of these organizations steward the cultural and agricultural heritages that are represented in open-pollinated fruit crop varieties grown by indigenous peoples of the Southwest and the Spanish missionaries who came later. Native Seed Search provided plants of a wild type of chili known as the chiltepine. Desert Survivors, a local nursery, provided us with both native desert plants and Kino Heritage crop varieties such as fig trees, white pomegranates, and sugarcane. Though the Kino Heritage varieties will require supplemental water to establish and maintain, we decided as a group that the cultural and culinary value that they will provide would be well worth it. In a few special spots, we planted old family favorites like San Miguelito, whose pink blossoms brighten the garden gate of many old Tucson homes. The Barrio Food Forest Project has brought friends and neighbors together to build little oases of low water use greenery that will contribute to their ability to maintain their health and food security. The many food forests planted in their yards are also part of a broader effort to conserve and maintain the cultural heritage and environmental integrity represented in the food, medicine, flowers, and shade provided by the plants of the Sonoran Desert and the Kino Heritage Trees Project. We hope that the seeds and cuttings from the plants will spread from yard to yard and neighbor to neighbor, along with jars of chiltepine salsa and bags of ephedra tea. We hope that the water we plant in sunken basins draws the roots of our community deep into the resilient soils of the Sonoran Desert and nourishes our children for generations to come.